Hi, good afternoon. Um, yan. Tagal-tagal ako hindi nakapag-vlog. So, ito, nagbabalik ako. Yung time po dito is 3:49. And then, yeah, I feel bored. Kasi ano nga, tawag dito, ako lang dito mag-isa. And then, I just finished answering some of my assignment kasi nag-aaral ako dito. Uh, ayun nga, nagbalik ako vlog kasi there's someone asking me, where did I meet my husband? How and where did I meet my husband? Yeah. Okay, sagutin ko yon. Saan ko at paano ko na-meet yung aking husband? Alright. Kaya syempre, of course, una-una, nag-search ako sa Google. So, naghanap ako if ever there has an Adventist online dating site. So, yun nakita ko siya. Ito. Ayan. So, ito yung apps ng Adventist dating site. So, meron talaga siyang logo ng ating Adventist. So, and then, ayan, na-install ko sa aking phone. And then, after that, I fill up all the questions there. Kasi daming tanong. As in, they will ask you also about Ellen White. They will ask you about your belief. They ask you about 28 beliefs. Ano pa yung tinatanong? Basta ang dami nila tinatanong dun sa sa dating site na yon before you can go in that site. So, yeah. Then ko nakita yung husband ko. Hindi ko nakita yung husband ko sa ibang tao. Hindi ko nakilala yung husband ko sa ibang tao because there's someone there in Thailand. Yeah, in Ubon. It's her. I know you. I know someday you will watch my video. Wala lang. Nakakatawa lang talaga siya kasi nga she was making story. She was making her own story that she said without her kuya there in Ubon, without her kuya, I didn't met my husband. Oh well, you're wrong. Sorry. I did not know where did you get your information about that. So, sorry. Hindi ko alam kung saan mo kinuha yung mga informasyon na yon. But then, yeah, thank you. Thank you for making the story about my life. And thank you for making story where did I meet my husband and how did I meet my husband. Okay, now. So, yun na nga. Yeah, of course, yung sa dating site, meron silang mga free. Free ka mag-message sa ibang mga mamimit mo. And then you can meet different people there in different country, mga black, mga white, mga andun. Iba-ibang country. So, ayan. So, naubos na yung free. Actually, pag fill up ko doon, wala akong pictures. And then, I didn't explain a lot about myself in the because there has a question there, can you describe yourself? Para at least, para may makakita sa iyo doon, they will read your profile at saka makilala ka nila kung ano ka, para something ganun. So, I'm not really explaining myself there kasi gusto ko kasi yung if I meet someone there, gusto ko yung sa conversation kami, yung mag-interact kami dalawa. So, yun, kaya hindi ko lahat nilagay doon yung aking about myself. So, ayun nga. So, naubos na yung aking free. So, what I did is, you have to pay. Kasi, pag mo na-message sa'yo at hindi ka makapag-reply, they're asking to update your dating site. So, ayun po. Bago niyan, of course, siyempre, naghanap ka ng naging partner in life mo. So, what I did is, I pray first. Nag-pray ako muna. Sabi ko, Lord, hindi ako masyado pupunta sa mga dating site. At saka, hindi lang ako nagbabayad sa mga dating site for just gaming or something. Of course, at that time, I'm already, ilang taon ba ako nun? Ilang taon ba ako dun? Parang 32 yata ako eh. Tama, 32 ako. 32, 33, I don't know. I forgot. But that was year 2019. the month of June, June 2019. Something ganun. So, ganun din yung time na yun nga nag-sign up ako sa dating site na yun. So, ayan. Ayan, nag-pray ako. Sabi ko, Lord, magbabayad ako nito. And then, yeah, of course, I hope na after nito, ngayong month, kasi 1 month lang binayaran ko, after nitong 1 month, hindi ako magbabayad. So, I'm hoping na sana makakita ako at makahanap ako ng isang tao na mabait at trusted dito sa dating site na to. Na hindi pa matatapos itong buwan na to, sabi kong ganon. So, yeah, of course, meron ako nakita, may mga puti din doon, pero hindi ko masyado type. Kahit may puti, anything there, hindi naman ako masyado na, ito na, foreigner to, ito, ganito, hindi. Ayan. Hindi kasi ako basta-basta din na nag-entertain akong ano-ano na hindi ako sure, sabi kong ganon. Yun. Habang nagsuscroll ako, nakita ko yung picture ng husband ko. Sabi ko, parang ito, kakaiba siya, sabi ko. Parang ang bait, sabi kong ganon. At saka, trusted naman siya, sabi kong ganon. So, I tried to message him. I messaged him first. No, of course, hindi siya mag-message sa akin kasi wala akong picture. So, I tried to message him. And then I asked him, hi, did you find someone else here as friend? And did you talk someone else? Sabi niya ganun. Sabi niya din, wala daw siyang may nakita. It's very quiet daw dito sa dating site na to. And then wala din siyang makakausap, sabi niya ganun. So, okay. And then that time, early morning, naka-receive ako na sobrang haba ng message niya. As in, grabe siya. Yung effort niya talaga, yung pag-message sa akin, sobrang haba, as in, detailed. Sobrang haba. Sabi ko, iba ito. Sabi ko, first time ko na-meet na lalaki na very effort siya na mag-message sa akin. Sabi ko ganun. So, one time, sabi niya, can I see you? It's unfair. It's unfair because I have my picture in my profile and I don't know who you are. Sabi niya ganun sa akin. Maybe you can send me your picture so that I can see you and yeah, of course. Sabi niya ganun. Of course, para makilala din kita, sabi niya ganun sa akin. So, parang parang nagdalawang isip pa ako kung sisend ko yung picture ko. And then, he asked me if I have my Skype, if I have my WhatsApp, if I have my Facebook, if I have my Messenger, sabi niya ganun. And then sabi ko, of course, I have my Facebook, I have my Skype, but sabi ko sa kanya, hindi ko masyadong ginagamit yung Skype ko. At saka, I don't have WhatsApp, sabi ko ganun. So, he asked my Facebook, and also, he also gave me his Facebook profiles, and then ni-search namin bawat isa. So, ni-add ko din siya. So, I accept his his Facebook. And then we started talking in Messenger. And then sometimes, mostly naman sometimes. Okay, sometimes we use Skype when we call and talk. Ayan. So, minsan sa Messenger din. So, yan, nag-start kami conversation na hindi pa natapos yung month na yon na-meet ko na siya. So, yun, I think God answered my prayer. So, I met my husband there. And then we started conversation. We started as friends. We know each other. And then, yeah, of course, yan, lagi siyang tumatawag pag may time siya, lagi siya nagme-message. So every time I wake up in the morning, I receive a lot of message from him. He always updated me about his work, what he's doing, and everything. And then he asked me a lot of questions. So I like that kind of man. Just like he was very thoughtful. And then he was very respectful, very trusted. Yun ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Although that time, wala naman ako masyadong feeling sa kanya kasi nga, of course, I don't know. Basta wala naman ako naramdaman before sa kanya nung na-meet ko siya. But then, yeah, I've been attracted to him for about his behavior. Yun ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya, yung behavior niya at character niya. Sobrang bait niya, very thoughtful niya, very kind siya. Yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. And then, ayun, dun ko siya nakilala. Dun ko siya nakilala sa Adventist Dig site. Ay nako, you know what? Ayun, nasagot ko na yung tanong nyo. Doon ko nakilala yung husband ko. Ito nga, wala daw sila ni kuya, sabing ganun. Hindi ko daw nakilala yung husband ko. Wow! I'm shocked! I don't know where did you get that information, you know? Wala silang kalabalam nga kung saan ko na-meet na yung husband ko. Oh well. Parang baliktad yata Without me, they didn't know my husband. Kaya ko nga lang pinakilala yung husband ko sa kanila kasi they are part of my family in there. Naging parte sila sa buhay ko, naging family ko na din sila. But yeah, I was very disappointed na yun yung mga accusing about me. Oh my goodness. Well, sorry. I don't know where did you get your information about that. But yeah, I'm still thankful. Yeah, thank you for making a story about my life and how I met my husband. Oh no. Hindi ko kasi alam kung saan mo kasi nakuha yung impormasyon na yon. Unfortunately, wala ka naman talagang alam. Unfortunately, lately ka naman nakaalam about sa husband ko, kay Kevin. At first, you don't know him. And then you don't know where did I met and how did I met my husband. Yan. So, yeah. If you know how to making story about your life, don't include me. Wag mo ko isali doon. Wag mo ko isali sa gawa mo na kwento about your life. Because hindi ko naman gawain yun So, if you know how to make story about everything, so wag mo akong isama doon. Kasi iba ako. Hindi mo ako pwedeng oh my. Well, yan lang. Hanggang dito na lang. Meron pa yung kasunod. May kasunod pa yon. Kasi hanggang doon lang. Oh, well. Oh, by the way. Oo nga pala. Gusto ko pa sabihin sa'yo, girl. Sabi mo, kung wala sila, hindi ko nakilala yung husband ko. Well, you're wrong. Without me, they did not met my husband. Alam mo kung bakit? Without me, kung hindi ko pinakilala yung husband ko, without me, they cannot ask sponsorship in the church. You know what? So, gusto ko sabihin sa'yo, ayaw ko sana sabihin dito, pero kasi yung mga issue mo about sa akin, I don't want to explain about that, but then, well, I don't know. Hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko na alam talaga. Yun lang. Kasi nga, alam mo yun, yung ginagawa ka ng kwento, tapos sabihan na ganun. Para, gusto ko sabihin sa'yo, girl, na kung wala din sa akin, kung hindi ko pinakilala yung husband ko sa kanila, hindi sila nakahingi ng sponsorship sa church. Alam mo kung bakit? Gusto ko sabihin sa'yo, hindi ko pa nga alam na humingi sila doon ng sponsor Actually, bago ko pa lang nakilala yung husband ko nun. Kilala ko sa mga June. Hindi pa kami masyado talagang totally kilala. Tapos pinakilala ko sa kanila. Humingi sila ng sponsor na hindi man lang nila sinabi sa akin. Yung ano naman sana, yung respect lang sana ba, hindi sila nagpaalam sa akin na, na nag-ask sila ng sponsorship. And then my husband that time, and then he messaged me na sabi ng husband ko, oh, did you know him well? Sabi niya ganun. Kung kilala ko daw ba talaga yung ano, bakit daw sila naghingi ng sponsor? Sabi niya ganun. Kasi kakilala pa lang nila eh. Tapos ano, in my side, of course, parang nahiya din ako sa side ko. Pero tumahimik na lang din ako. Hindi ako nagsalita. Parang ano na lang din ako. Parang ano lang ako na wala akong alam na humingi sila ng sponsor sa parang ng ganun. Pero alam ko kasi yung husband ko open up siya sa akin eh. Nag-open sa akin. So I keep my mouth shut. So 'di ba? Wala akong sinabi, hindi ako nag-open sa kanila. I'm waiting from them to tell me that they asked sponsor. And then lately na yata, siguro may ilang buwan na, kasi sila nagsabi na nagsorry sila sa akin na yun, naging sila sponsor na without telling me, without permission from me. Parang ganun. So girl, if you're accusing me without them, I did not know my husband, you're wrong. Because without me, they did not met my husband. Ayan. So, yun. Kung paano ko na-met at nakilala yung husband ko dito sa dating site. Well, yeah. Hindi ko lang alam. My goodness. Okay. Hanggang dito lang po yung aking sabihin. Kasi yun lang naman eh. May nagtanong kasi sa akin paano at saan ko na-met ang husband ko. Ayan po. Bye!